What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Okay you guys, so I am on the next aisle now and I'm just discovering the prettiest pastel pencils. These are so cute. And then we also have some pretty paper down here as well. If you're into pastel like me, I think this is new, the orange. And then we have a bunch of these great reusable dry erase pockets. Maybe you're trying to keep your kids fresh with some writing or times tables over the summer. You could just slide it in. They can write on here and then erase it. I have a couple of those at home and I really, really like them. Speaking of, you guys, speaking of cute little holders, look at this. These are cute. Now imagine my idea, you guys, putting these in here. Right, we have pink, or you could use these for your makeup brushes. We have pink, we have blue, and they're very reflective. Green, we have a little bit of iridescent shine to them as well. And then the really pretty blue. I think these are new as well, the Dixon pencils. If you want to do a little early shopping for school. Oh, these are new. So cute.
Oh, not the ones on the wall that are filled with helium already with ribbon on them. Yeah.
I got the little, not the ping pong set, but I got the little Connect 4 set, you guys, and it's so worth it. It is so, so cute. Ooh, look at these. I love this brand. Ticonderoga. And then we also have these. These are brand new. Look at this super cute glue sticks. We have chickies, birdies. We have frogs. These are so cute. I wonder if these toppers fit on some other glue sticks because they are really, really cute. So far, I'm just seeing the frogs and the little chickies. Okay, what else? We just have to take our time. I think some of these little bookmarks are new. These are little magnetic bookmarks. Oh, look, you guys, stand tall. 36, stand tall like a cactus. Kids jumbo tweezers. Yeah, we're starting to see a lot of back to school and teacher items already. We have the little organizers. These are, what are they calling these? The book bins for workbooks. Really nice. If you see these and want them, please get them now. Items like this tend to go really fast. And then we also have the little caddies down here. And these are so cute. Look at these little storage containers. They're latchable. We have kind of a green yellow. We have blue. And we have sort of a pinky red. These are really nice. These would be nice for crayons, chalk, whatever. They also have the little pencil cases. Again, a lot of the same colors. And the little cute spiral notebooks with the belly bands. Wow, I was not expecting to see those, and oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. You guys, these go for $20. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? The Happy Planner seasonal stickers. These go for $20 each. We also have this one, watercolor. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is such a great deal. If you do anything with planners or scrapbooking, or if you're just into stickers, I mean, these go for $20 each. I cannot believe I'm seeing these. Wow. Wow, you guys. Okay, and then we also have, is this one different? No, I think this one is the same. Seasonal. Yeah. Let's just see if we have any others. I want to look through the seasonal one. And then I think we have even more new items over here. Wow. I have always wanted to get this seasonal one. Always. But I was like, I don't want to pay $20 for it. I have so many stickers and planner stickers already. So this one is probably a few years old. But I have always wanted this. Always, always, always. Aww, so cute. Wow, you guys, look at this. 1,557 pieces. Yes. Yes, I'm gonna get some of these. And then I have to think about this other one. I have to put some of these back. Let me look at this one again. Watercolor. The watercolor one is pretty. This one feels a little more functional to me. The other one feels a little more like decorative. This one has 1,078 pieces. Wow. And I think that's all we have. I think we just have those two varieties. But I have really been wanting to find these, so I hope you guys find them too. Look back here by all the pens, stationery, the back to school supplies. I mean, those are so cute. Those would be really nice gifts to someone in your life that loves to do stuff with their planner. But we also have, let me move my cart. We also have these little bookmarks that are new. And then we have so many new notebooks. Really cute notebooks. I just love that they all have the belly bands. Those are really cute. Too Inspired to Be Tired. We have tacos, we have Break the Rules. More of the little notebooks with the smaller notebooks, the little 2-pack sets. Hello Summer. The cute little multicolored notebooks. We have a lot of good items over here, you guys. Highlighters, JoJo pens, the cute little built-in sharpener, mechanical pencils. This though, right here, you guys, this just made my day. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna head on to the very next aisle and share other new items with you guys. Whoa, we have a lot of yarn in here. Has anyone seen the yarn braids that are really popular on TikTok? I think they're so, so cute. If that's your thing, you could come in here and you could get a lot of different colors. Oh my gosh, this one's so soft. You can get a lot of different colors and have some fun with these, whether you're like wrapping or you're actually braiding it in. Some of these are thin, some of these are like super silky. We even have tweed. Wow. But all right, you guys, thank you so, so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.